What's going on, everybody? Today we are working on the landcruiser still, but this time doing the rear axles and rear differentials. Let's get started. So, in my inventory, you may notice that I have some stuff for redstone, which means now we're getting into the redstone components. And this is basically the start of the axles, and there will be brakes, but that'll be a later episode. So I don't exactly know how much room I'm going to need for a differential, so I'll just build it out a little bit and try and center it up. Actually no, I'll build the differential around it. No, hang on. Yeah, I know what I'm going to do now. So basically what I want to do is make a system where I can have either two-wheel drive, so just these two back wheels, four-wheel drive, which is those wheels, those wheels, those wheels, and these wheels, so the back four wheels all driving, and then six-wheel drive, which is the front wheels and the rear wheels. So now I just got to do the axles. But if it was an actual real car getting built, it would go like the whole driveline first, so the engine, then the gearbox. But the engine is one of my favourite parts to do, and I want to leave that until a bit later because that'll have a lot of working parts in it, which will be really cool. Should have really built the sides before I did the top and bottom. Now I need to line up the middle. Eyeball with those two bits all the way down there. So, yeah. Yeah, that'll do. So I'll build it till it's basically from this middle bit there's gonna be like a pipe, I guess, going across like that till it's three on each side, so keep building that across. Go. So it'll look like that. Actually, I just realised I'm going to need some sticky pistons and some repeaters. So this is for the drive to the rear wheels. So basically how I'm thinking of making it enable itself and disable itself is basically with a sticky piston and a block going into the actual axle, so it goes like that, then across like that, and then I don't know how I'll do this, I'll just wire it up quickly now. So when I flick the lever or switch, both axles get like activated, I guess, and then now that those will be driving axles, and then disable them, so now it's, yeah, that's how that'll be. And this will be, I'll just mark it so I remember, it'll be so that'll be two-wheel drive, so 2WD. Then I'll have one coming, I might break that, and then have one coming out like that, and then going over like this, back here, to the So then I have to build these axles. Sides. And then do that. And then do the same thing for over here. And two, then the block, and this axle. And that's like that, and then so now all of the axles are done. Now I just have to wire it up. So I'll just put the repeaters down first. And just the lever. And actually, so to stop this from like getting caught up, I'll just do that and then put a repeater there so it doesn't end up traveling back up through itself. Click the switch and all of the axles get, I guess, turned into driving axles, and then I'll have another one. So let's label this four-wheel drive. And then I'll have another one coming off and going to the front wheels that's titled six-wheel drive. So that one will just go up. So like that. Actually, we'll put a repeater then. All the way back to the front wheel. I just realized there's gonna still have to be room for back seats and stuff like that. So this will be interesting. But I'll just have that marked up to here, so wheel drive. But now you get the basic premises on how the differentials would work. So I'll just finish the episode here, and thanks for watching. Come back in the next one when I do the front axles and the front springs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment, and maybe subscribe too. Thanks for